Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I described the setup as neutral to slightly bearish. That's why I was surprised to see Bitcoin push above the orange dotted horizontal at 105.7K, briefly liquidating the short leverage pocket I showed you. But like I warned, without strong volume, a move like that doesn't hold, and it didn't. Volume was weak, and my long wave strategy flashed a real-time exit signal around 106K, which I shared directly in our Discord. Once we lost the orange horizontal to the downside, it was clear where the move was heading. Straight toward the long liquidation leverage pocket that has been sitting at 103K for days. Price dipped all the way down to 102.3K before bouncing and settling at around 103.2K, which is the lower boundary of the hot pocket. On the one-day chart, it's the classic Darth Maul candle. Liquidations on both sides in one violent sweep, exactly like the lightsaber that cuts in both directions. Market makers at their finest. So what's next? Honestly, it's wild how some YouTubers and Twitter traders are screaming lower target space. For example, solely on one red dot on the weekly time frame. It's either lazy technical analysis or pure engagement bait. Yes, lower time frames look shaky, but just zoom out. The monthly still has a green dot and is more important because it's a higher time frame. Historically, July in bull market years prints about 18%. From our current base near 104K, that would easily send us toward 122K within a few weeks. And I'm still bullish. Let's look at the data. The 3-day liquidation heat map now shows the hottest level above us at 106.5K. The 1-week heat map shows pressure both ways. But breaking down too far would put us dangerously close to 100K again, which I find unlikely. The 1-month heat map shows the true magnet above us, 111.3K, where 1.46 billion in short leverage sits waiting to be wiped. If we get a bullish summer, that's the target zone. People keep comparing this cycle to 2021, but that comparison fails to account for how FTX was illegally dumping Bitcoin back then, artificially suppressing price. That kind of distortion is no longer part of the equation. We are in a cleaner market with stronger fundamentals and real demand, especially from institutional ETF flows. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.